Kate here with WTI, and if you're looking for a water filtration system that is simple but effective, check out this one from DEKEXI. So we installed this at my friend's place. She has a well, and so her water is hard, of course, and so this was the perfect addition to her kitchen faucet. So this filter has a 7-step filtration system. So it filters out sediment, some of those harmful materials, gets rid of that nasty taste that can come with hard water. So it's been really effective. The drinking water has really improved. We've noticed a big difference in taste. I like how simple it is to install. So first, of course, you have to make sure that you have the right style of faucet to attach it to, but there are different sizes for either the inside or the outside threading. So lots of variety to be able to fit whatever your faucet is. It goes on really simply, and then you can actually see it working. So I like the way it's kind of a window into the filter. Very cool to watch it work. Easy on off, so you can use your regular tap water or you can turn on the filter and use it that way. So if you want something easy to use that'll help with your drinking water, I highly recommend this one, and that's my point of view.